Welcome to this instruction video for Siemens Desigo plug-and-play automation, planning the thread network. The thread network consists of thread border routers, thread mesh extenders and valve actuators. The blue icons are used in the example plans that follow. We can divide the network planning into an off-site step using building floor plans and an on-site step, the site survey. During the planning, we want to find suitable locations for the thread devices to ensure radio coverage of actuators and wired connectivity from a border router to the edge device. Let's begin with the basic design principles and system limits. For all components, the range is 30 meters in line of sight but may be less if the signal is obstructed. Any signal path must end at a border router and can be extended by mesh extenders. However, the maximum number of hops is 3 from an actuator via mesh extenders to a border router. For longer signal paths, an extra border router must be added. Certain materials and equipment can severely damp or block the signal, and such objects should be circumvented and may require additional equipment to amplify the signal. Use the floor plan of the building for the off-site planning. We assume the entire floor needs coverage. It is helpful to draw a grid on the floor plan. Starting from the upper left-hand corner, mark the first grid point 15 meters down and 15 meters right from the corner. Add grid points 30 meters apart horizontally and vertically, covering the floor area. These points indicate preliminary locations of border routers or mesh extenders. Mark large obstacles on the floor plan which can block the signal path. Adjust grid points to lead the signal around large obstacles and add extra devices to ensure a strong signal as needed. Assign the first border router to a suitable point on the grid, assigning mesh extenders to the remaining points. Verify the maximum hops from actuators to the border router. Add extra border routers if the number of hops is larger than 3. During the site survey, we want to check the planned installation points for routers and mesh extenders. Verify line of sight between communicating devices as far as possible, that router devices are near mains power supply, and that at least one border router can be connected to the LAN infrastructure. Place the routers as close to the ceiling as possible to avoid attenuation from people and furniture. Obstacles such as stairwells or walls with water installations in kitchen areas or lavatories can degrade the communication path. Adjust the planned installation point or add an extra mesh extender to circumvent the obstacle or to amplify the signal sufficiently to pass through. Please refer to the wireless planning guide for details and examples of network planning. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.